A 2-year-old laptop computer is now worth $550. Depreciates at a continuous rate of 37%. What's the initial value of the laptop, and what will its value be 5 years from now? So it's already 2 years old. Right now it's 2 years old. So that's a data point. It depreciates at a continuous rate of 37%. There's a few details here. First, continuous means that we're using the A equals PE to the RT, or N equals N naught E to the KT, or whatever formula you write of that form. And we also know that the rate of depreciation, meaning it's going down, which means R is negative. So R is negative 0.37, 37% is what it decreases by every year, depreciates by. There's a lot of information in that short sentence. So we do not know the initial value. That's the first thing we're asked for, initial value, which would be our P. P is initial value. We do know that right now it's worth $550. And it's 2 years old, so T is 2. So we know everything except initial value. We can just solve this equation. So e to the negative 0.37 times 2. Negative 0.37 times 2. 0.477. Look back at our equation. That's this part of the equation. So to find out what P is, we divide by that number. 550 divided by that answer we just got. 550 divided by the answer we just got. So that means it was originally worth $1,152.76. That was the initial value of it. And what will its value be 5 years from now? From now, how old's the laptop going to be? It's already 2 years old, 5 years more. So that's when T equals 7. So we know the equation with the initial cost of the laptop. Amount equals 1152.76 e to the negative 0.37 t, and we're plugging in 7 for t. Because we want to know 5 years from now, so when it's 7 years old. So e to the negative 0.37 times 7 times 1,152.76. So 5 more years, it's going to be worth $86.48. 86.48. Does ask us to write the exponential function to represent value with respect to time. Pretty much did right here. Value instead of a, they're asking for value. 1152.76, negative 0.37, and it's supposed to have a time in there for t for time. There's our value equation.